Welcome to Moda's DIYs. I'm so happy you stopped by today. Today's video is going to be a Dollar General haul, a Five Below haul, and a Dollar Tree haul, and I found a bunch of high-end decor. Okay, oopsie, and this happened to me. Let's have a little moment of silence for my sanity. Yes, I am pregnant, and no, we did not plan it, and it was an accident, and that's okay. If it's God's will, then of course I will love this child. But I just want to let everyone know that yes, I'm pregnant because I want to let everyone know because I'm going to not be on here as often as I used to be. And so one or two things are going to happen to me. Either I'm going to have this baby or I'm going to have a miscarriage. I've had many of them, so I know exactly what is possible to happen here, and that involves surgeries and DNCs and being sick and not feeling well. And so in case that happens, I just want to let everyone know, yes, I'm pregnant. And so if you want to say a prayer for me, that'd be great. Also, my son got his brand new first fish tank yesterday. So we had a really crazy, insane day yesterday. All right, let's get to this haul. I went to my fabulous Dollar Tree and they had a whole bunch of these, like a whole shelf. And so I got two of the green and one of the white because I wasn't loving the pink one, and that's okay. You know, got to get what you like. And so I also got these really pretty apples, and they have them in gold, red, green, kind of like iridescent looking. And I just think these are really high-end looking. These are going to be really fun in the fall, and I kind of can't wait. Okay, don't you go nowhere because I'm about to blow your mind. They have nautical rope in white now. What? I got like 10 of these. I couldn't even help myself. I was shook. I got a few of these because I'm loving how they have hangers to them. You could do so much with these. I could just picture so many farmhouse DIYs with these. I love it. But this one, I was so excited to find these. And they had a few different styles, but I only like the road trip one because it's, you know, it suits our family. We go on a lot of road trips in our fifth wheel. So I thought, oh my God, that's so cute. You could put, you know, it's the hole's big enough you can put dollars in it too. So I like that. And then this looks really high end. I love this top. It's like a rose collection. They had other scents, but this was the one that I thought smelled the best. My jaw dropped when I saw these chargers. These look so high end, so I don't know, they look farmhouse but rustic at the same time. They look like something you'd buy from like Anthropologie and you'd pay like $20 for, but these are only $1. And what I love about these chargers is they don't have any of those bead bumps on the side. You know, those ones are pretty too, but I like them plain. I think when they look plain, they look more high end, and so I was really excited. I found this really pretty frame, decorative frame, but I found it in white, so I was really excited about that. And we all know about their beautiful woodworking. Well, I found one in pineapple and, you know, that cactus one. I mean, they just have so much wood crates. It's literally blowing my mind how amazing of a job they're doing in their wood department. So definitely go check out their Crafter Square section at your Dollar Tree. I also got that for the beach, you know, for camping. All right, let's move on to Dollar General. All right, Dollar General. Now, these are only $10 each at Dollar General, and I thought these were a great deal, really beautiful, very farmhouse, and so I couldn't pass them up. And I didn't even know I was pregnant yet then, but something in my mind was telling me, don't buy too much stuff. You have way too much stuff. You need to make room. And so I only bought these that day. Isn't that funny? Like, I already knew, but I didn't know. Isn't that weird? All right, these are from Five Below. These tables are $5 each, and I think they're wonderful. Instead of spending $3 and, you know, wasting my time making a Dollar Tree table that's kind of crappy and going to fall apart, I'd rather just spend $2 more and buy one of these and make it my own. Spray paint it and do whatever I want with it. But that's just me. I must have been not thinking clearly when I made that $3 table. But, you know, whatever. It's all good. And so I also want to share this rug that I got. It's a 3x5 or 3x6. So that's actually a really good deal for how big it is. And I love how just very boho this looks. I love it. And so I think it's going to look cute in front of my couch here. Or I could put it outside on my patio. And I also had got these two white pillows. And these are only $5 as well from Five Below. And so I'm always looking for really fluffy white pillows. And when I find them for $5 or less, I snatch them up. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching my video. And yes, I'm pregnant, so I don't know what's going to happen here. You know, it's a 50-50 toss-up really with with my history. So this is the 6th time that I've been pregnant, so I know exactly how this is going to go, and I'm not going to be feeling very well. So anyways, my videos will be probably about 1 a week on the minimum until I feel better, no matter what happens. So thanks for your support. Thanks for watching this. And if you like that video and if you're happy that I'm pregnant, then press the like button for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. My next video will be some farmhouse DIYs where I'm going to do some things that are a little bit different. I'm going to try to make a faux tree and just a couple things like that that I've never done before. So on that note, I'll stop rambling. Must be the pregnancy brain. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.